So without spending any money on advertising or being paid any advertising money from a company, I've managed to make over $10,000 from a single video completely for free on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact video that made me over $10,000. And if you're looking for like a get rich quick thing on YouTube at the moment, this video isn't for you. The methods I'm going to be telling you about take time and consistent effort to get to the point where you're able to release a video and make over $10,000 with it. So this video is more about building a business around YouTube rather than doing a get rich quick sort of approach. But if you're looking to take YouTube seriously and you want to get to the point where you can make over $10,000 with a single release of a video on YouTube, this video is for you. I'm going to start off by talking you through the model that enables you to make $10,000 without spending money on advertising or without taking money from companies. And secondly, I'm going to show you the exact video that did it for me. So thanks for tuning in to Starting Up, this channel all about passive income tips for financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And this is lesson 9 of a free training series I've been doing for beginners. If you want to watch the whole playlist I've got on the screen now, I'll put a link in the description to this video so you can go back and watch the previous 8 videos I'm scrolling through now. But you're now watching lesson 9, which is all about how I made over $10,000 with a single video on YouTube and how you can start to try to do the same. Okay, so what is the model that you want to be following in order to make that type of money with your videos on YouTube? Well, it can be broken down into 3 simple steps. So first off, you're going to want to find a product that exists on the internet already that has a mass appeal. So lots of people, when they discover this product, when they find out about it, it's going to appeal to lots of people. And potentially lots of people are going to want to go ahead and buy that product once they heard about it and they know what it can do for them. And you want to have a mass appeal around this product because you want it to get noticed on YouTube. So when you do your video, you want something that's going to be noticeable and discoverable. So step number 1 is finding a product that has a mass appeal potentially, and potentially lots of people are going to want to go ahead and buy that. Step number 2, you make a video targeting a potential audience for this product. So let me give you an example there. Say you found your product that you chose was a football, just for a real simple example. So that's step number 1, you found your product. Step number 2, you want to make a video targeting people that are potentially going to be interested in this football. So off the top of my head, you could make a video that reviews the 10 best football teams at this point in time. So when this video is being made, 2019, I can make the 10 best football teams of April 2019. And you can guarantee that the people that find that video on YouTube are going to be interested in the product you've chosen, so interested in football. And that's really the key there. You want to have a relation between the video you choose to make and the product that you've chosen in step 1. And when you're making that video in step 2, you want to make a video that is solving that potential customer's problems. So say for example, back to the football example, you found the football you want to promote. You could make a video talking about the best quality footballs on the market right now. So for someone looking to buy a new football but they don't want to get a low budget, low quality football, they want a real high quality football, your video is going to be solving their problem because they're looking for this information and your video is solving that problem for them. Okay, so step number 1 was find your product with a mass appeal. Step number 2 was make a video targeting a potential customer for that product and solving their problem. Step number 3 now is within that video, you're going to send the viewer through to the product that you found in step 1. So you have the product that you know is going to be relevant to the person watching your video, you're going to solve a problem, and then you're going to send that viewer through to the product to buy that product at the end of the viewing process. And that is the 3 steps of this simple model that I followed myself to make over $10,000 with one video. And I've got a diagram here illustrating how this all works. So that process, that 3-step model is called affiliate marketing. And this is how it works. So you find an existing product, you then promote that product in your videos, and you have a link within the video sending the viewer to the product. And then when you send the viewer from the video to the product with your unique link in the description, you make a commission from the company that originally made the product. So that's what affiliate marketing is and how it can be used on YouTube. You go to the manufacturers of these products and you arrange a deal with them where if you promote their products and you encourage a sale, they'll pay you a commission for making that sale. So you basically become a virtual salesperson for the company, like a digital salesperson. And that is all called affiliate marketing. That specialism, that field of making money online is called affiliate marketing. And it basically follows those 3 steps of the model I've just shown you. So those are the basics of the model that I use myself to make the $10,000 with a single video without paying for any advertising. I didn't do any paid promotions to boost the amount of people that saw my video. It was all natural views on YouTube, and the amount of money I made from that video was over $10,000. So in just 1 second, I'm going to show you the exact video that I made to make me that money, the product I was promoting that paid me the commissions to make that money, and then I'll show you some stats, you know, like the dashboard showing my earnings, my YouTube analytics, so you can see the amount of people that viewed the video, and from that you can work out the relationship between how many views I got and how much money I made, etc. Before we get to that example I'm going to show you, I want to announce some advanced training I've just literally finished putting together, all about that affiliate marketing model on YouTube. So that's on the screen now. Basically I've just done a 40-minute advanced training on promoting products through YouTube. So this training talks you through the types of products that you should be choosing when you're doing these promotions on YouTube, the products that are going to be paying you out the high enough amounts of money to make this type of money overall, to make $10,000 and more using this method. And then I also talk about the types of videos you want to be making on YouTube in order to get attention, get noticed, and to make those referrals. Because there's so many different types of videos you can make on YouTube. Commentary videos, review videos, unboxing videos, viral videos, news videos. There's so many different categories and genres of videos you can be making. So in my training, I basically narrowed it down to 3 of the most successful types of videos that I've learned about in my time on YouTube, and basically share that information with you so you can learn the types of products to promote and the types of videos to promote. So if you want to get that free training, like I said, it's about 40 minutes of detailed YouTube training. Just head over to my website, startstartingup.org. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can get free 40-minute training on the method I've just taught you about there. Okay, so onto the exact video that I used myself to make over $10,000 on YouTube completely for free, and the process that made me decide to make that video and how successful it's been ever since. So let's jump over to my YouTube channel, and we're now in my videos, and basically it's going to sort my videos by most popular. Okay, cool, so that sorting has just finished, and as you can see here, my most popular video by far is this one here called What is Shopify? It's got 181,000 views. The next one down from that has only got 46, and then it starts to get to 30. So you can see it's a clear leader of the pack in terms of the most popular videos I've ever made. And this is the video that's made me over $10,000 with commissions alone. And when you add on the amount of money I've made from what YouTube pays me for advertising revenue with this video as well, it's even more than $10,000. But just from that affiliate marketing commission, so recommending a product, this video has made me over $10,000. Let's click and open it quickly now. Cool, so that video is open now. What is Shopify? And you can see that I made this back in July 2017, so a year and a half ago, and in a year and a half it's made me over $10,000 with no extra cost. It took me about 4 hours to make this video, and it's made me 10 grand in a year and a half. That's not a bad payout at all, is it? And this is the product that I was promoting in that video. It's a business tool called Shopify that basically lets retailers make stores online. So rather than having a brick and mortar store on the high street, Shopify allows you to make an online store on the internet to put your products online and sell your products. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to discover more about Shopify, but this is the product that I was talking about in that previous video here called What is Shopify, that people went ahead, watched this video, went from my video to the Shopify website, bought the product, and it's made me over $10,000 in commissions in a year and a half. And the reason I was able to make so much money from doing that is that Shopify pays you $58 for every person you encourage to buy their product. So for every person that went to my video, saw my Shopify breakdown, went to the Shopify site and bought Shopify, I was paid $58. It's crazy high commissions. And that's basically one of the things I talk about in my previous training that I mentioned a second ago, is finding the right products that are going to pay you those high commissions, so you can really sort of notice the difference when you start following this model on YouTube. So what was the process for me to make a video like this? How did I decide to make a video on this topic? What exactly did I do to make that money? Like, where did I put my links, that sort of stuff? I'm going to show you all of that stuff now. So first off, how did I decide to make a video called What is Shopify? Shopify for Dummies. So to do that, I did a thing called SEO, Search Engine Optimization Research. So that basically means that I did some research to find out what would basically give me a high rank in the YouTube and Google search engines. Because I wanted this video to be discoverable when people were on YouTube and on Google typing in certain words. So I went ahead and did some search engine optimization research to find out what to call my video to make sure it ranks really high. SEO, search engine optimization, is a specialism completely within itself. And if I start talking about it in too much detail in this video, it could go on for 1, 2, 4 hours. There's a lot to it. So all I'm going to tell you now is you need to go away and learn about YouTube SEO and Google SEO. I haven't got the time to teach you about it in this video, but to discover the title and the topic I was going to talk about in one of my videos, I used search engine optimization research and found this keyword, this phrase to use in my title that would get me a lot of attention. If you subscribe to the channel, I'll definitely talk about that research in later videos. Okay, so next up, I made this video that we've got on screen here and talked all about the product and solved people's problems within this video. And if we go to the description, throughout the video I was telling people if they want to try Shopify, the link to the product is in the description of this video. So you can see here, I've got the link, first line of the video, get a Shopify 2-week free trial, and I've got the link to the Shopify website right here. And when they click this link here, I'm just going to click it now, it goes through to the Shopify website, and also Shopify is now able to recognize that it was me that sent that viewer to their website, because the link that the viewer clicked is a unique link that Shopify gave me, that Shopify can track back to my account. So from clicking that link on my YouTube video description, Shopify knows it was me that sent that person to them. So anyone that went from that link and bought Shopify from this video made me $58. And in addition to that, like I said, you need to be solving people's problems in the videos. I also put a link in my description to a 21-part training series all about how to sell your products with Shopify. So when people click this link here, if they didn't want to go straight away and sign up to Shopify, but they wanted to learn more, they could click this link here that sent them through to my website. And that link sent them through to this page, which is my Shopify page on my website. And when they scroll down here, they get a 21-part training series to Shopify to learn all about how it works and how to sell products online. And then you can see here above the training video, there's a button that says try Shopify for free. And if someone clicks this button on my website, it goes back and sends them to the Shopify homepage as well. So as well as being sent to the Shopify homepage from my video directly on YouTube, they're also sent to it from my website where I've linked them to from the video. So there's 2 entry points, from my video or from my website. Is sending people to the Shopify website and tracking it down as me that sent them there. And that's really how I did it. I found a product that a lot of people would potentially want. I made a video that's going to get the attention of potential customers for that product, and if you scroll down, it got me 181,000 views, so it really did get a mass appeal of audience members. And then finally, I sent them through to the product to buy it. As you can see here in the video, there's a link in my description. Those are the 3 steps of the affiliate marketing model that I mentioned earlier, and where you can get in even advanced training for that if you go to my website and take that 40-minute training. And now for a bit of proof, a bit of numbers, just so you can see that I'm not making all this up. So if we jump into my computer again, we're on the Shopify affiliate dashboard, and this is where Shopify basically tells me everything that I've made from them, all the commission they've paid me basically. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this date range here to all time, so it shows me how much I've earned through Shopify, how many commissions I've earned all time, so the whole time I've been promoting their products. If we scroll down, you can see that in total, I've earned $21,472.97. So I've actually earned way more than $10,000 from promoting Shopify. But the reason that I've cut it down to $10,000 for that particular video is I've actually got a few videos that promote Shopify. So you can see, if we go back to my YouTube channel, the 3rd video along, I've got a video about Shopify here, Shopify versus Wix. So I've made a few videos talking about Shopify, but my #1 video has got disproportionately so many more views than everything else that it's made more than half of my affiliate revenues. So I can comfortably say that from that $21,000, at least $10,000 has come from this most popular video I've ever made, the #1 rated video I've done, What is Shopify, with 181,000 views. And if we jump over to the analytics of my website, and we go to July 1st, 2017 till now. So as I mentioned earlier, that video went live on July 27th. So back to July until now, we can see that if we go, I don't know why it's split into two, but from that video on YouTube, I've had 8,000 plus 7,000. So around 15,000 people come from the video to my website, to this Shopify page. And then of those 15,000 people that have taken the training, a lot of them would have clicked that button and gone back to the Shopify website and bought a product. So 181,000 views of the video, about 15,000 people have gone to my website through the video, and from both of those locations, people have gone through to the Shopify homepage, bought the product, and it's made me $58 every time someone's done that. And that is the model, the simple affiliate model, those 3 steps that I use to make over $10,000. The next step up from that, if you want to take it to the next level, you start to incorporate email marketing into your process. So this, what I've shown you so far, is all purely within YouTube. But if you want to make more money, you have to start using emails to send more and more people to product pages. And that's one of the things I teach in this YouTube training that I've just released on my website, startstartingup.org. You can find the link below. But that would be basically how you take yourself to the next level. And rather than making $10,000, you make 50, 100,000 plus. That's what the big people do. What I'm starting to do, and I mentioned in more detail in this advanced training series that you can get in the link below. But that's it really. I just wanted to show you the model. You know, we've had 8 lessons so far talking through affiliate marketing for beginners, how it all works, what it is, how you can start making money, and I wanted to show you the exact model I followed to make my money last year. So if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I try and answer everything that is asked of me in the comments, so fire away. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. You want more passive income tips like the affiliate marketing tips I've given in this video and in the last 8 videos in the training series. If you want to watch the last 8 videos in this series, there's a link to the playlist as well in the description below. Yeah, just thanks for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around. I also appreciate the support people give this channel. Make sure to check out my Instagram, startingup, if you want some daily tips from me. And yeah, I'll see you next Monday with my final affiliate marketing training video for beginners of the series. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and check out the weekly videos. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye.